Alright, so this is the setup here to wire up a starter button to your ATV. So starting with your solenoid, when you get that, there's going to be two small little bitty wires that come off the solenoid here. So what you're going to need to do is to wire your button up, start from the hot, you're going to go into the first post of your button and then continue wiring that up over here to the small little wire on the solenoid. Your other wire you're going to need to ground. So then what's going to happen is when you press the button here, it gives hot all the way to the solenoid. The switch inside will bridge the gap between these two posts here, which you're going to have those big thicker wires hooked up to the hot, and then it'll give power over to your starter. So let's see what this is going to look like actually on the ATV itself. This is your hot. It goes to one of the posts on the button, and then you continue running that hot to the yellow and red wire that comes out of the solenoid here. Now the green and red wire I have connected to the ground. And so when you press this button here, it's going to give fire to the starter. Now the solenoid itself is hooked up to the hot, so you can see this big thick wire goes in here, and then this wire goes to the starter. So when I push this button, it'll bridge the gap between the two posts inside internally, and it'll fire it up. There you go.